we are at the last stretch of our Sri Lankan holiday, and that was an amazing time. And this is the last time Sunil is driving us to the airport. What a wonderful time we had. And just to mention that we had an amazing dinner at Ministry of Crab, the restaurant in Dutch Hospital that owned by Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene. That was actually recommended by Sunil. We had no clue, and he suggested that it's so close to your hotel, just try something there and make a video. So it's all thanks to Sunil that we had the opportunity to make that video, and all the staff at Ministry of Crab was just fantastic. It's our last night in Colombo, and we came to have our dinner at this Ministry of Crab. And do you know who owns this restaurant? As I mentioned in my other video, Kumar Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene. So we are going to have our dinner here. Look at this environment. Wow, fantastic, isn't it? And we can sit outside, and this is again that Dutch hospital. That heritage site that is very close to our hotel. This is our hotel, and this is the Dutch Heritage Dutch Hospital in central Colombo. And there are lots of restaurants like Sri Lankan Club that we had dinner last night. Tonight we are going to have dinner in Ministry of Crab. Look at the interior. This is magnificent, isn't it? Very bright, and you can see the ceilings. These are the original wooden ceilings of this Dutch hospital, and it has been renovated in a very authentic way. And look at the owners, Mahela Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara. They are the restaurant owners. And on our table we have a personalized message. And we got our candlelight. So we have a very beautiful gentleman serving us this evening. And what's your name? Madhu Shankar. Thank you, Madhu Shankar. Nice to meet you. We are at Ministry of Crab. And have you ever met Mahela Jayawardene and Sangakkara? Okay, that's great. Yeah, I took the photo, and you must be very lucky. Thank you. Look at our background. These are the proud owner of this Ministry of Crab, and we are having our final dinner at these amazing restaurants of these amazing two talented, probably one of the best players in cricket history ever seen, and we are really privileged to have dinner here. I'm just loving this ambience. This is beautifully decorated, and look at these. These are the magazine pages that they have news coverage of these restaurants. Awesome. It feels awesome to have dinner here. And this is the menu that we are actually looking at. They have crab and they have the prawns. So we are going for this special Clay Pot Prawn Curry, which serves 4 people, up to 4 people, and it's $40 US. Look at our background. What a beautiful background, isn't it? And this is the table decoration and the ceilings. This is awesome. These lights are really bright and beautifully complementing the interior, and we are at this amazing building of original Dutch hospital in the central, at the heart of Colombo. This is really a special dinner for us. So we are being served with iced tea that we ordered, and we are sharing iced tea. We have been given this beep to put on before we start eating our dinner. So it says keep calm and crab on. So Urunima is going to wear that. Wow, that's fantastic. And look at this, on our table we have a very personalized message from Sangakkara.
The menu is very unique here. So this side is the constitution, which are all the rules of the restaurant.
Okay. Wow. The rules of the restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this side is is called Ministry of Crab. So crab is the main item here. So all the prices depends upon the size of the crab.
Size of the crab.
And these are the preparations you can choose from.
Okay. And similarly for the prawn.
Similarly for the prawn.
Depending on the size, the price will vary. With $25, it goes up to $50. For us, for crab, it's $70 US dollar, and it goes up to $380 US dollar. But that's a 2 kilo crab.
And then there are some other dishes as well, a la carte.
Wow, I think this is for us. This is the clay pot prawn curry. This is the clay pot. And these are the breads, very special bread. Wow. Thank you. Beautiful. So this is the fresh butter, and we have got this Sri Lankan bread, very traditional bread. And this is the prawn curry in the clay pot. We have been given this curry in this beautifully looking, very dark clay pot. And it says Old Dutch Hospital, Colombo, Sri Lanka. So that's where we are today. And we also ordered some steamed rice. I've just got some bread pieces and I dunked them into curry, and I've got a couple of prawns, and it's already tasting just delicious. So good. It's not too hot, but very aromatic, very spicy. Let me show you. This is the bread. This is Sri Lankan local bread, and they make it locally in a wood oven, and with delicious coconut prawn curry. This is just fantastic. It's very soft and almost like a brioche, and so this is really good. Look at this. There are a little bit of curry left, and we had one portion of steamed rice ordered, and so we are Bengali, so we always need to have something with rice. Curry with rice, we cannot have a miss. So little bit of rice and the leftover curry mixed together, and this is in our sense most delicious part. We're having a brilliant dinner, and this curry is so authentic. It's almost like Bengali cuisine, and this is like we call it chingri machir malai curry. Chingri is the prawn, and we cook it in coconut milk and grated coconut and with lots of spices. And this was really nice. It's like a home cooking, very, very authentic. And I heard and we read that all these curry recipes at these restaurants are originated from Sangakkara's own family recipes. So that's quite nice to know. Look at my plate. I'm having this borderline situation. I have got a bread and I have got this rice. So I'm comparing which one is the better one. I think as an Indian, I think the rice part is the best part. But I love the bread. It's almost like a puffed up as brioche, and the prawns were so delicious. Very, very succulent. Well done. We have been given some roll tissue to clean your mouth and your fingers. So that was really a nice touch. And look at my plate. It's all done and dusted. So Runima, how was the food?
It was good, but hot for me.
Hot?
Yeah.
Bit hot for you? Okay.
The taste was very nice.
So now it's time to take the beef off. And so the beef is off. Dinner is completed. And I'm really pleased that I'm sitting here because these two gentlemen entertained for so many years. Very, very talented cricketers, and we enjoyed having dinner at this restaurant. Was just awesome experience. One has ordered a crab, and we want a photo session with a crab. Is it 2 kilo crab? Oh, that's the $380 one.
So expensive.
Very expensive. And it's alive and kicking. Oh.
Is it caught locally?
All local, you don't have any.
And look at the open kitchen. They're all actually cooking and very busy, and everything you can see. There is nothing hidden. Everything is open kitchen. That is just fantastic. And let me walk to that area. These are all alive and ready to be cooked. We had a lovely dinner here and we had the clay pot prawn curry, and Madhu Shankar was just fantastic. His behavior and the ambience was just electric. Locations where they have Ministry of Crab, and I was chatting with Madhu Shankar and he just explained that we have a new one just 3 days ago in Melbourne in Flinders Lane. Wow, that will be fantastic. I need to compare how much that will cost in Melbourne. I just paid my bill and they have given this little envelope, and it says the Ministry of Crab, Old Dutch Hospital and Colombo, and it's stamped as a crab. So this is like a little letter that I received, and inside we have the actual bill. So wow, this is very artistic. It's not just a restaurant.
Yeah.
It's almost like an art center. Wow, we just enjoyed and loved having our prawn curry at this Mahela, Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara's restaurant, Ministry of Crab, in the heart of Colombo.
The ambience is very fitting to the dishes they serve. So it's not all about food, it's also the ambience around the food.
We loved the ambience and everyone was so friendly, and we could also vlog, and they were encouraging us to vlog, so that was fantastic. So I hope Sangakkara and Jayawardene, I hope you'll be watching our video once.
Ba ba da ba da ba da.